Hello guys, it's Mike here at MPS Electro Lab. Today we have a project to run a mainline water entrance into the house, and so we're going to do that project. I have the 1-inch PEX line already stretched out. We have to put insulation on it, this insulation here. We have to bore a hole into the floor in the area where we're bringing the main entrance pipe into the manifolds for controlling the water in the house. I'm completely replumbing the house because the house has old galvanized and a myriad of kludged PVC and CPVC pipes. So it's about time to redo that. So I want to try to get this large hole saw to have a smaller hub that will fit in my large drill. And that's the first thing we're going to try to do. Okay, so we have to remove this from this hole saw. And the first thing we need to do is lubricate with some WD-40 is what I use here. Let that sit a few minutes. Pretty tight in there. I think I'm going to have to use the vise on this one. In the vise. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. That is just too. So we're gonna have to kind of give it a little vibration. You can't go wrong with a little beating on the old fitting. One way to get them off. Or loosen. It's crazy. There it is. I told you that jarring the fitting would loosen those threads up. Really corroded. Now, I'll probably warp the hole saw and it won't be circular anymore from clamping it in there, but let's see. Ah, look at that. I hope it's the same size. It should be. Yeah, probably. Nice. Okay. Snug that up. It'll tighten once we start drilling. And now we're all set. Okay guys, we're in here now where the manifolds are located. I have hot water and cold water. And what I want to try to do is tie this in so that we can slowly transition these home runs to all of the vanities and bathtubs and showers and all the locations in the home. That's the purpose of these manifolds. So we bring our main water service in. So you'll see I've already PEXed up these two lines. We have to tie in the main down here. Hope you can see that. And then we're going to tie the hot water in. This will feed cold water to the water heater. And then we'll tie this into the hot water side. And once we do that, we will have parallel service. I'll just tee into these and leave this old PVC there until I can switch everything completely over, because what I'm having them do is run a whole new water entrance with a new meter and a tap down at the street in on the other side of the home. The whole idea is we're replacing every bit of pipe, the main entrance, the whole water service completely. We got to bore a hole right there for the main entrance to come in with the insulation. I slid the water heater out. I'll be readjusting this water heater at some point, and we'll have all the home runs going down through the floor and running to all the locations. So let's see if I can start boring. Try to line this up as much as I can. First layer, get this piece out. And to try to get on through the second layer. Now, I have foam sprayed in from the bottom, so let's try to do it. There we go. So we're going to feed up right through there. Okay, I have this pipe stretched out here. It comes in a roll and it's pretty stiff, so you have to stretch it out to get it straight. I'm going to drag it around, feed it through from the entrance point to the hole that we just bored. Excellent. Actually, I think I can just keep feeding it. I've got those old pipes under there I need to clean up. This house is over 100 years old. And it's just got the debris of all kind of rework and plumbing over the years, just a complete mess. That's why I'm redoing it. So let's see if I can get it a little further and I don't have to climb so far. I think it'll jump right over that old pipe there, which I need to pull all that crap out. Where did it end up? Oh, way over there. We're actually going to pull this back. Well guys, I really wanted a continuous roll of 100 feet of Armacell, but I couldn't find it. The 1 1/8 ID only came in sections, so I have to tape those with Gorilla Tape, all those joints, so that it creates a water airtight seal, and then we'll be ready to drag it back through and feed it up through the hole and tie it in. Okay guys, I have a Gorilla Tape Silver, a 3M multi-use. Crazy me. Crazy me. Just crazy me. There we go. Hello guys. Guess where we are? In our favorite place. Under the house. There's the hole. And here's the pipe. And we're gonna feed it up. Okay, I'm gonna have to set you guys down while I feed this through there. Oh, there it goes. Oh, nice. All right, that's it. That's it. We'll foam that in later. So we're back inside. You can see the pipe coming up here. So what we have to do is cut it off, and then put a sleeve on it and expand it and attach it. So here we go. Okay, so let's take a look at the expansion tool. These are 1-inch sleeves. Slides over the PEX A. You expand it and then it shrinks onto the fitting. I'm using PEX A instead of PEX B. So put in the comments why you think I would use PEX A versus PEX B. With a pier-on beam house, gets very cold underneath, etc. So here's the expansion tool. So we're going to we already had it greased, put the 1-inch expansion fitting on. And this gets kind of tough with 1-inch. Got to be strong to do this. So I'm going to cut this off a bit first. You'll see what will happen is you'll slip it on, you'll expand, slip, expand, push it on, slowly expanding until you do a couple of 2 or 3 final expansions, and then you have to quickly slide it onto the fitting. It's going to be kind of tight behind this water heater, but we're going to give it a try. Oh, it's hard. There we go. Whoa, it's hard. 1-inch is tough, guys. A lot of people have the automated tool for this, but I don't do this for a living. So I got the $60 tool. So I'm gonna hold that there a minute, and we'll do it one more time. And then I'm gonna have to be really quick. There we go. Hold it up. It's shrinking as we speak. There we go. Okay, so there it is. Insulation up through the floor. We'll seal that off. Pipe under the house is protected up to the manifold.